Imagine your car breaks down on a dark road tonight, or a surprise medical bill lands on your kitchen table tomorrow. For most people, finding the cash to cover that kind of emergency triggers instant panic. That panic isn't necessarily a result of how much you earn. Financial stress is primarily caused by the absence of a liquid safety net when life happens, paycheck to paycheck cycle, and secure lasting stability. Most beginners try to save 6 months of expenses right away. That target is so large, it often leads to burnout before the first month is even over. Instead, we focus on a specific first milestone, a $1,000 starter emergency fund goal. This specific number is chosen because it covers roughly 80% of common minor household emergencies, like an urgent vet bill or a major appliance repair. Reaching this first milestone gives you the momentum needed to turn saving into a permanent habit. This starter fund acts as your primary defense, keeping you from relying on high-interest credit cards when the unexpected happens. To find the cash for this fund, use zero-based budgeting to assign every dollar a job. This process reveals hidden leaks, like forgotten subscriptions or impulse buys. Budgeting identifies the available cash, but relying on manual willpower to move that money into savings every single month rarely works long-term. You need to remove human error by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account, scheduled for the exact day your paycheck arrives. When you pay yourself first, the money is moved before you ever have the chance to spend it. It is vital to keep this money in a separate account. If it sits in your primary checking account, it will eventually be spent on daily life. Automation transforms saving from a stressful monthly chore into a background process that happens without you having to think about it. Traditional brick-and-mortar savings accounts offer very little return on your money, with interest rates often as low as 0.01%. Online high-yield savings accounts offer a higher annual percentage yield, growing your emergency fund faster. Your account needs 3 features: FDIC insurance for protection, absolute safety from market fluctuations, and liquidity to access cash quickly. Do not invest your emergency fund in the stock market or cryptocurrency. You cannot afford to have your safety net drop in value during a financial crisis. An emergency fund is an insurance policy. Its purpose is safety and accessibility, not high-risk investment returns. Once that $1,000 starter fund is set, it's time to scale up to a 3-month essential expense net. Essential expenses are limited to the basics: housing, utilities, groceries, and minimum debt payments. To find your target, add your monthly essentials together and multiply that number by 3. If your monthly essentials total $3,000, your 3-month safety net target is $9,000. You can reach this goal faster by directing tax refunds, annual work bonuses, or side hustle income straight into your high-yield account. Even small, consistent contributions will build this fund over time. Consistency is more effective than waiting for a large sum of money to arrive. Achieving this 3-month target ensures that major life disruptions, like a job loss or a medical emergency, do not compromise your housing or basic security. You now have a complete, automated blueprint to build a safety net that protects your future. Having this cash reserve changes your relationship with money. Unexpected bills are no longer a source of panic. They are simply a managed expense. Let's start the journey today. Comment below and let me know, what is your primary savings goal for this year? If this guide was helpful, hit the like button. And subscribe to the Finance Focus to continue mastering your personal finances. Now that your safety net is in place, you're ready for the next step. Click the video on your screen to learn how to end the paycheck to paycheck cycle for good. I'll see you there.